The 2015 Toyota 4Runner TRD. With the Baja 1000 quickly approaching and Toyota preparing to race a Tundra TRD Pro in the full-size stock class, the automaker needed a few support vehicles to assist the team. That's where off-road truck builder N-Fab came in and helped modify 3 vehicles for the event, a Tundra TRD, a Tacoma TRD, and this 4Runner TRD. All 3 chase trucks will be following the competing Tundra over the treacherous 1,000-mile race, assisting with extra fuel, supplies, and replacement drivers and navigators. N-Fab started with a standard, 4-wheel drive 4Runner and swapped out its grille for a 4Runner TRD Pro grille. The wheels get the same treatment, with the matte black, 6-spoke TRD Pro units replacing the standard wheels. The story continues with the suspension. TRD Pro coil-over shocks keep the terrain under submission and aftermarket BFGoodrich All-Terrain tires hold the whole thing off the ground. Behind that updated grille is a 30-inch light bar while a 40-inch unit is mounted on the roof rack. An ARB shade tent rides up top as well, giving crew members a respite from the extreme desert sun. A cooler inside the 4Runner offers a few cold drinks. The rear of the roof rack is also decked out with 2 10-inch light bars colored in amber and clear. In case the going gets extremely tough, a Smitty-built XRC winch hides behind the front bumper, rated to pull 9,500 pounds. Rock rails with removable steps help protect the 4Runner's rocker panels. The 4Runner's interior gets updated with TRD embroidered headrests, a carbon fiber trim kit, an RCI case radio, and a Lowrance 5-inch GPS system mounted atop the center stack. Click past the jump to read more about the Toyota 4Runner TRD. Toyota 4Runner TRD in detail. The 4Runner's interior remains mostly stock, save for the radio and GPS equipment and the floor-mounted cooler in the second row. A roof rack affords extra storage for crew members and a mounting point for off-road lights and a shade tent. The TRD Pro equipment swap to this 4Runner gives it a more aggressive look while allowing it to tackle tough terrain with confidence. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is a capable SUV straight from the factory. Its robust 4-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and body-on-frame design work together in conjuring together one of the best factory off-roaders currently on the market. It comes powered by a 4.0-liter V6 engine making 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque with a 5-speed automatic doing the shifting. 2 separate 4-wheel drive systems are offered, with one allowing manual control of the transfer case and the more premium option doing the deed with an electronic rotary dial. Pricing for the 4Runner starts at $32,820 and rises to $43,400 for a loaded-out limited model.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.